Next, we need to generate the LTC SMPTE timecode. There are a few ways to do this. One way is to use plugins or programs within your DAW to generate the timecode, or you can go to a website and download the timecode. I recommend the latter as there are no issues with running up CPU usage when also running playback on the computer. So I'm going to show you an example for downloading it. A common website to do this is called LTC2. Here's the website. Here, we are able to select the frame rate, sample rate, bit depth, duration, and then finally start time. Select all the parameters you need, and then click Generate LTC. Now, click Download WAV file, and it'll proceed to download. A little tip, if you're on any Apple computers and haven't disabled autoplay upon download, you might want to mute your speakers. If the SMPTE timecode signal WAV file plays, it is quite piercing and loud, and I've made mistakes in the past before with having headphones in. It's not a very pleasant sound.